Hey everybody, it's Ryan. I'm gonna give you an overview of arguably the most powerful handheld turbine-powered leaf blower that I've ever seen before. This thing is unbelievable. So much so, it kind of scared me, and I like to cover my ears when it's in use because this thing is loud. So yes, it is on the whiny side of loud. It's quite loud. The battery life is long enough that you're used to using a leaf blower without ears being covered, or you mow the lawn without ears being covered, then maybe you're fine, But me, I like to protect. I like to cover my ears when I'm using high-powered tools, if you know what I'm saying, mowing the lawn, leaf blowing, those types of things. That being said, this thing, not only is it loud, I mean it is quite powerful. So much so, the turbine motor that's in there rotates at 40,000. That's 40,000 revolutions per minute. That's just like a ton. Some other stats I had to look up on this because I couldn't believe it. I was like, how is this even possible in this little thing? The power is rated at 550 watts. The thrust is 600 to 650 G. That just means it's a lot. That's all you need to know. It just means it's a whole heck of a lot. Cool part is that it does have these interchangeable batteries. So when you're using one, you got a backup right here. These are 21 volt batteries. Comes not with one, comes with two. It does come with a charger that has a LED illumination right there, letting you know if it's red or green if it's charged. Also, there's an indicator on the side, let you know how much juice you got left in the old battery. Slides in, nice and easy. Push button here, pull it right out. So it's pretty easy to use. The sheer power of this thing is unbelievable. I mean, literally when I was tested it for the first time, I was in the house and I freaked everybody out. It is quite powerful. What it can do and what it can't do. So from a blowing dust, sand, stuff like that, no problemo. Blowing leaves, no problemo. Now, if you have like a yard just thick, like wet leaves, not so much unless you like to get real down and low. That might take a serious, backpack blower to even move stuff like that. Double fisted, oh man, double fisted with this. I mean, you could do some serious work when you're on the deck or in the yard or whatever. The easiest, how I use this is getting debris off the driveway, stuff that already has hard surfaces, decks and stuff like that, works like butter. Does a fantastic job. A little more challenging depending on the height of the grass. If you have a lawn and you have debris and stuff you want to get off, like short grass, like Bermuda grass, centipede grass, stuff like that, that's a little more denser, or doesn't have as much grip to it, like tall fescue. Easy to use is there on that as well. You get the tall fescue and it kind of has too much surface area. It's a little bit more challenging, but I mean, now if you had two fists and you were going to, go to town, that's fantastic. For my battery life and charge time, so this charge is actually pretty quick because I just hooked it up and I just have one, and I have one charging, and I use this one. How many hours of use? I don't know, because just me, I don't like to drain the battery all the way down, so I'm just using it. I hit the button, I'm like, oh, okay, I got one more left. I kind of stop. That's just me. That's just how I've always been. To each their own. All in all, this is made out of like a hard plastic. It's not flimsy at all. I've actually dropped this a couple times because it got away from me because I wasn't paying attention. You can, it is, I don't know what to say. It's impressive to say the least. Also, it comes in a hard carrying case, travel case to store it. So it's in a rugged, hard case. So that's good as well. So you're not like throwing around or whatever, even though I have dropped it a couple times, and because the way it's set up, you're good to go. So full honest review on this is durable. The air pressure out of this, I still can't, I don't even know how that's possible. I have no idea how that's possible. Shout outs to the company. This is super legit. And full disclosure, this company did send this to me, said, Ryan, we need a test. We need your assistance. Can you help us out? Can you do a tutorial? Tell us what you think. Give us an honest review. I think that came across. Hopefully it did. And we'll talk to you soon.